Good evening, sirs, mums, honoured guests, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're all well. Oh, I'm just going to try that again. I'm not sure there's anybody out there. Let me just try that again. So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Oh, that is way better. Well, and welcome for me to Greenock, my first time here, and what a wonderful place we have here. Yes? It's a great honour to be invited to play here today, especially in support of the Scottish Fire Heritage Trust. Sorry. I hope that we're going to raise lots of money for them this evening, but please be assured we've got a fun-packed show for you this evening, both reflective, but also later on an opportunity to tap those toes out there as well. We started off with a march, as we would do traditionally, and that was called the Black Granite March. It was in fact written to honour those who died in the Vietnam War, but a lovely piece of music, and it is meant to be triumphant. Now, the next piece of music is, again, traditionally an overture, and it looks at the characteristics of the sea. So quite appropriate here. I know we're on an estuary, the Firth of Clyde, but it looks at those times when that can be very tranquil, but I can imagine it can be quite stormy and boisterous. So although we're not near the Pacific and nearer the Atlantic, I'm sure this Pacific overture you'll love very much. Thank you very much.